Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Check airplane mode is off and confirm battery is above 10% so radios can power. Next, restart the phone to force the modem to reinitialize. This often restores the signal by re-registering with the network. While it reboots, remove and reseat the SIM to ensure good contact. If you have a spare phone, test the SIM there to isolate hardware versus network problems. Once done, move to targeted network settings. Open your mobile network settings and set the preferred mode to 4G/3G/auto, depending on coverage. This forces the radio to use compatible bands. If automatic selection fails, manually search for and register to your operator. Manual registration can bypass faulty automatic scans. Reset the APN and preferred network settings to default so the phone uses correct operator parameters. This fixes misconfigured data and registration issues. After applying changes, reboot one. If phone settings don't help, contact your carrier to confirm account status, SIM activation, and local outages. This rules out provisioning problems. Ask them to refresh your network registration or swap the SIM if suspected faulty. Carriers can also push carrier settings updates. Update your phone's firmware and carrier settings to fix known modem bugs. If all else fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset, but only after carrier confirmation. As a final
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.